Hey everyone, again welcome back to our channel, and today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can fix your temporarily unavailable problem on your WhatsApp app. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, let's get started. So this problem could be because of many reasons and I will be showing you those. So what you will do is go to your Play Store first and check if your app is up to date or not. So because if your app is not updated, then that could be one of the reasons that your app is lagging, that your app is working really slow because the app has been updated but you haven't done it yet. So if you will see this option called update instead of option called open if your app is not updated. So once you're done with that, you will just simply go back, and if just updating your app is also not helping you, then you will just simply go to this option called settings, and you will simply go to the option called apps, tap on it, and again tap on this apps option. Here you can simply search the particular app or just can scroll down. So once your app is there, then you will simply tap on this option called storage, tap on it, and you can see there is an option called clear cache. So you will simply tap on it, clear cache. You can again go back to your app, trying to use your app properly. If it's still not the case, then you can only try this. The really obvious option is that your network option. So you can see if your network connection is really good or not, because if you have a really slow connection, then you can simply switch on mobile data of your phone, and if that's not also working, then you can switch to other available network option that you have on your device itself. This could be the reason why your app is showing this temporarily unavailable options. So once you're done with all of those options, I'm sure your problem will be fixed. And yes, thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I'll see you guys next time.